Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Hey there, creative people. Welcome back to Photoshop PixelFie. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. I'll be showing you how to make your very own customized wooden text logo using Photoshop. If you're into cool, rustic designs, you're going to love this one. So, let's get started. First things first, grab the text tool from the toolbar and type the letters you want for your logo. I'm going with S and C, but feel free to get creative with your own initials or any other letters. Once you've got your text, right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Type. Boom! Now our text is converted into an object that we can work with. Now let's focus on the S. Use any selection tool you prefer and make a selection around the S. Right-click and choose Layer via Cut. You'll notice that Photoshop has created two separate layers, one for S and another for C. How cool is that? Now let's make the S a little bigger. Just resize it to give it a bold look. Then drag C close to S so they fit together nicely. Next up, let's add some color. Grab the Paint Bucket tool and fill each letter with the colors of your choice. You can go classic with dark wood tones or get creative with something that pops. Once that's done, make a duplicate of the C layer and hide the original C layer. We're going to use this duplicate to create some awesome effects. Now pick the eraser tool and carefully erase the unwanted parts of the C. This is where you can get really detailed and customize the look. Hold the Control key and click on this layer to select it. Go up to Select, then Modify, and click Expand. Expand the selection a bit. How much is totally up to you. With the expanded selection, click on the S layer and hit the Delete key. Watch that magic happen. Now delete the duplicated C layer that we used for cutting. Press Ctrl+D to deselect, and then unhide the original C layer. Let's repeat a similar process for the S now. Make a duplicate of the S layer, drag it to the top, and hide the original. With the eraser tool, erase the parts you don't want. Again, hold Ctrl, click on this layer to select it, and go to Select, Modify, and Expand. Adjust it to your liking. Click on the C layer and press Delete. After that, delete the duplicated S layer and hit Ctrl+D to deselect. Unhide the original S layer. Your logo is already starting to look amazing, right? Now let's add some text. Grab the text tool and type whatever you like. This could be your brand name, tagline, or anything that completes your logo. To add a finishing touch, use the rectangle tool to draw a box or underline your text. This adds a nice professional look. Hold the Alt key and drag the box down to create a quick copy. And there it is. Your stunning wooden text logo is ready. Go ahead and turn off the background layer, and then export your masterpiece as a PNG file. But wait, we're not done yet. It's time to give your logo a 3D look using a mockup file. You can download this mockup from the link in the description below. To apply it, double-click on the specified layer in the mockup, which will open in a new window. Place your PNG logo here, remove any background, and then close this window, clicking Yes when prompted. And voila! Your logo is now beautifully transformed into 3D. That's it, folks. I hope you loved creating this unique wooden text logo with me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Photoshop PixelFie, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my future Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.